Hello, in front of me I've got CARPURIDE Android Auto and Apple CarPlay tab. In this video I'll show you how to activate Android Auto wirelessly. Firstly, let's enter Android Auto and read the note. This Android Auto version only supports Android 11 or above and 5 GHz Wi-Fi Android phone. So make sure that you've got the Android 11 or above and your phone does support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Now let's enter Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, pair new device and select CARPURIDE. Pair. Enter menu, enter Android Auto. And it should be done. Unfortunately, right now I can't connect with Android Auto wirelessly, so let's go to settings, Wi-Fi channel and select 2.4 GHz. Let's try it again. And unfortunately my smartphone can't connect with the Android Auto wirelessly. But basically that's the process, how to do it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.